Beach vibes, man.
I said I'm living my best life. I said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons.
What's up, SICE Life fam? It's your boy Jan.
It's Lee.
And we got Mary with us.
Hey.
Hey. And we are on our way right now to the beach, to a beach party. Mayday party number 2. Show you guys
Let's turn up.
a beach party in Dalian. Come through. See y'all at the party. Well, they sound like they got some good music up here.
Yeah.
Sound lit up here. Take my money. Take my money. Take my money.
You move, it drives me crazy. Feelings coming over me. Let the music set us free.
This is the night.
Let's go. Oh no.
Day 1 from Armenia. Nah, you was there since day 1, bro. Day 1 in China. Cool dude. SICE life, man. Raw beef. I know, but it's blood.
You've been here earlier.
Raw beef. Damn, dog. Savage. Hey. SICE life, man. When you ain't feeling the vibes, change the vibe. The tribe is your vibe.
I wish you could see the water.
I don't see none that say bloopy though. I see UE roll.
My name gon' hold up, my team gon'
Beach vibes, man. That's how you do it. You don't need to go to the party where everybody at. We'll have our own party, man.
I gotta go get it, I gotta go get it, I gotta go get it, I gotta go get it.
Miss me with that bullshit.
We are here with SICE Life TV. We're back. There's a lot of people that walk through here.
Can't never get away from people from China.
Can't never just have your own space.
Watch out for what you touching.
So what if it was like dangerous stuff we didn't know about?
Like moms and shit?
Yeah.
We'll be done. We did a road trip to Miami.
Miami, yep.
For that convention.
Yep.
That was lit.
That was such a life shit.
It was like
we
2
was
days.
Our life back then.
It was like 2 days before the day to go. We was like, all right, bet, we're gonna go.
Even with Texas.
Yeah. Texas was lit too. We went to Texas, visited my sister, my
Same
nieces,
thing.
my brother-in-law.
Last few, I was like, let me call out. He was like, just call out of work, babe. Just
Yeah. We went down to South Padre Island.
Randomly, so random.
That was the first time I actually felt like I was out of the country. Like,
really?
yeah, because that was like so free. It was like just like, yeah, you know, don't bother this, don't
That's
bother
why-
you, everybody's happy. Like it was so chill, like literally like the bus was free.
Yeah.
All you had to do was just stand on the street and wave,
That
and the
was
bus would
amazing.
stop. And then when you want to get off, you just yo, here.
Yeah, and
And
during
just
that
pull
time
over.
we went, it wasn't that many people.
Yeah, it was like
packed.
locals, yeah.
It was nice.
It was beautiful, man.
Break down and sign or run away. Forget about the times you
Really needed that.
Really though.
That just gave me life for like a week. Can make it to next Monday.
I know. And we got frisbee in yesterday. That was good. I love all the. One thing I love about here is the big flop.
Look at this place. Huh? Shit, you can. I'ma fall and die.
when you pull me aside. Roller coaster rides, roller coaster ride. Electronic vibes, deep down inside. When you pull me aside. Roller coaster rides, roller coaster ride. I'm down, I can't change this feeling for you.
We gotta go get our visas real quick and we got a photo shoot later, so Lee retwisted me up in the DD. And she gonna go back and do her hair.
2016.
Lee just got me out the way though. I look fresh. My baby's sleeping. Lee over here getting the makeup done. By Maka. So I got the ghetto ironing and just trying to steam this shit. Wasn't working though. So I ironed it vertically. Oh, I messed her dress up a little bit. I'm gonna ride her down with me. My day one, big A.
Downtown is where I wanna go. So fast and now I'm sinking slow. It's time
Made it to Little Venice. Had to get our shoot on. Hey.
That's how you gotta do it in China when you don't have a car. You don't got your own car, you just gotta get dressed in public. It's no private space out here anyways. Ooh,
Both of them.
Everything, all of it. Icy.
My grandma
Royal.
gave me this.
Oh no. Your dressing room for the day, for the night. Do what you want, man.
You having a flashback?
Flashback. I like this better than it was the first
Me
time.
too. It's a little Venice. It's so pretty here.
This shop right here be nice.
Oh, look
And they got a little
that.
gondola right there. Oh, I got steps already. We got the steps already. We went to the class They kicked us off with a little the golf cart. But we already got the pictures though. Hey.
Can't stop us, won't stop us.
Don't even matter. Onto the bridge. Yo, that was funny. People was literally just recording our photo shoot. Like we was up there posing, taking pictures, and people literally was just like recording. That's what's up though. We feel fresh. The energy is pretty up, the vibes, like it's like music playing out here. So like when we were out here and we were getting ready, doing some test shots, making sure everything was, you know, straight, touch up some makeup and stuff, it kind of felt like we was like about to get married again, like that same feeling. And yeah, it was pretty enjoyable. It was pretty enjoyable. Now people want to come
Makeup by Maka.
What the heck?
She did it. She did her thing.
Son, we keep going to all these places where there's nobody is, and people just come out of flooding. Like,
just out
what
of nowhere.
is going on? Can we get a private picture? It don't even have to be private. There's like some no traffic. Like you can never find any place where there's no people.
I know, yeah.
Music set us free.
Cherries. Cherries. Yo, I've never seen a cherry tree before. Please come give me something. Oh, that's the group. FIFA World Cup Russia. That's like not even that far from where we at in China for real.
Time goes by.
I never knew how serious the World Cup was in Russia. I know they're going crazy right now because they got this joint everywhere. In China, the game plan. They got the game plan in Walmart, bro. Live. Everywhere you go, you see the game plan.
When I touch your body, seem to lose all type of control. When I look into your eyes, wonder what demons you behold. I know you wanna take this slow. Take time and show me what you know.
Let your body take control. Let your body take control. Body take control. Let your body.
So this is the first restaurant that we came to, the first place we ate when we came to Dalian. Actually, we landed November 25th, 2015.
We had this place for breakfast.
Yeah, we had some noodles and stuff, and it was like, nah, we don't eat beef, pork, and that. And it was like, oh, okay, well, let's see what we can find.
Always get nostalgic.
This is the first school. This is the first school we worked at. when we came to China. Best learning. But this is our old stomping grounds, man. This is memories right here. Lots of bad memories.
A year and a half of memories.
Lots of tough memories here. Couple good ones. Remember our favorite restaurant used to be right here? But the people moved. This is our #1 restaurant here, these noodles. Right here.
Now.
Yeah.
I'm living my best life. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.